Can we use this effect to something good? Well, yes. This is actually how fingerprint sensors work. So you see here a model of a fingerprint sensor. We have a glass prism. We have total internal reflection with more or less parallel light hitting the prism. And in this case, we're imaging the backside of the prism here onto a CCD camera. And now when we put our finger against it and we press it slightly against it, we are going in the distance below this one wavelength distance, but not everywhere, just at the points where our finger ridges of the fingertip sort of are pointing out, and then they touch this glass prism, and that's why we can get a fairly nice image of a fingerprint by such a device. And of course, everybody has seen this when you travel, then they record your fingerprint exactly with such a device, a total internal reflection based device, and it might then look something like this. And of course, this is also how the mobile phone sensors work with fingerprint devices. And interestingly, I show this because this is kind of a fun story. So the Chaos Computer Club in Hamburg actually they showed once that this idea of safety with fingerprint devices is really not necessarily a good idea. And there was a famous minister, Wolfgang Schäuble, that was sort of talking about how safe this is, and they used this and they collected a wine glass or something like this from him and then copied his fingerprint device and gave it pretty much to everybody to have such a stamp with Wolfgang Schäuble's fingerprint in some rubber printed, so that you can use it to unlock his bank account or something like this. So this was of course a publicity stunt to show that this is really not safe and how easy it is, comparably easy it is to copy something like this. So now we're going to show an experiment with fingerprint as well. In this experiment, you will see how a fingerprint device really works. And in this case, we don't use a camera. We directly project it to a big screen with a powerful lamp.